Hello, friend. Today I got a package in the mail. It's seedlings, and I'm going to prep them to go in the tower. Let's go. Yeah. First thing I want to mention, you absolutely do not have to do this. I'm just a weirdo and I like to spoil my plant children. So, first thing I do, I like to pop them out, give them a good rinse, nice little cool shower, get them nice and refreshed. After they've had a little razzle-dazzle, then you want to go in and you want to spray some Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew. Or you can spray them with anything. Or you don't have to spray them at all. It's completely up to you. But I would recommend, if you are growing in an area that has potted plants, specifically if you're growing indoors and you're in an area that has potted plants, do some sort of preventative pest control. Now that these little dudes are ready to go, I'm going to go pop them in the tower. See you next time. Bye.